Fisher says government regulators ordered Union Pacific to improve its service to Foster Farms, but other grain, ethanol, and chemical shippers are still having problems. Fisher estimates rail service issues cost the grain industry more than $100 million in the first quarter of this year. The rail lines are in a quiet period ahead of second quarter earnings reports and wouldn't comment. But Ian Jefferies, head of the Association of American Railroads, was.
So, without a doubt, rail service is not where we want it to be or where some of our customers expect it to be. And we've been working hard to reduce the backlog of shipments on the grain front.
Jefferies says part of the problem is the rail lines can't find enough workers. Jefferies says no one could have predicted the pandemic or the resulting supply chain snags. Sandra Dearden is a former freight rail executive who started her own consulting company. She says Jefferies has a point.
There are some issues that were out